If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on the channel.
Hello, Namaste. Christmas is around the corner and the temperature is really getting low. Why not have a drink that warms us up and we feel cozy? And that's Cafe Mocha. It's 2 in 1. That's coffee and chocolate in a cup. For the Christmas, do not forget to bake this plum cake, which is free of alcohol and free of eggs. And for tea lovers, I have masala chai and chai tea latte. So let's start today's recipe, Cafe Mocha.
Please note the ingredients needed to make Cafe Mocha. List is also given in description below. First, we need water and milk. This is about 400 ml of water and 400 ml of milk. So put water or pani in a pan and add instant coffee. If you need strong coffee, add more of it, and sugar or chini to taste. And when it warms up a little bit, add in milk or दूध. Now here comes homemade hot chocolate mix. Click on the eye shown above for the recipe. Link is also given in description below. So add hot chocolate mix and mix this solution really well. There should be no lumps here. And on medium or medium high heat, let it boil. And when it boils, turn off the heat and see, nice and creamy Cafe Mocha is ready. Serve in glasses or cups of your choice and enjoy it on a cool winter day. Don't forget to pair this up with plum cake that's alcohol free and eggless. And for my chai lover friends, chai tea latte and masala chai. So we have everything for everyone. You can also garnish this Cafe Mocha with whipped cream and some chocolate shavings. Have a blessed Christmas. Enjoy the festival with your family and friends. Thanks for watching.